What's up guys, I'm finally done with the welding, thank god. It was a grueling process, but it had to be done, I guess. Now I gotta clean up the floor, get the protective rubber coating off. I'm gonna use up all the rust converter that I have left on the floor. It's not really necessary, but I have it, so I'm just gonna use it. It's just a little bit of surface rust, but better safe than sorry, I guess. Now it's time to clean everything up and start painting. Gotta get this shit off. It's not that easy. Guess I'll make a fucking spatula or something.
Still hard, fuck this.
As I'm scraping the metal, you can see the rusty spots. That's actually what I'm looking for, and I'm gonna use the rust converter on it. So that's basically where the rubber separated from the metal as it corroded. And the black spots are obviously where the rubber is still intact with the healthy metal. Now I'm just brushing off as much rust as I can so the converter can do its thing. Alright, got rid of the excess rubber, got rid of the surface rust. Now just gotta clean it up a little bit more and ready for the converter. Now this is probably one of my favorite products right now, the Words Rust Converter. It's a little bit different from the previous one I was using, the one in a can Presto's converter, but this one is so good, the coverage is ridiculous. I think I used like basically 2 teaspoons of rust converter for this whole floor. The only problem with Words Converter is that you need to prime it, but since I'm painting the whole interior in black 3-in-1 paint, doesn't make a difference to me. Oh shit! It's the heart of the beast. It's a 4-cylinder 2.7cc Perkins diesel engine. And it is absolutely perfect. Why is it perfect? No, it's not because it's mine. It's actually because of the previous owner has put in a new engine a couple of years ago before realizing he's too old for this shit, and now it ended up in my hands somehow, and it runs absolutely beautifully. And yes, the second reason is because it's mine. Oh man, this is the first time I can actually see some progress on the van. It felt so good to be done with the paint. At least now it looks clean, you know, it doesn't look like a trash can with wheels. I can finally get started with the insulation now. In the next one I'll be doing the vibro filter and the earth wool. So yeah, keep watching, eventually I'll be done.